Alright, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Having fun with a song, a great song from KALEO, The Good Die Young. And I did this kind of tutorial. I looked it up and everything was good, but I slept on it a couple of months ago. Now it's time to bring it up, and yeah, let's go into this tutorial here. A great song, like I said. No need for any capo here. Let's go into the chords right away, and I believe we have 6 different chords. Maybe 7, we'll see. Anyway, D is the first chord. Sounds like that. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord will be F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. We move on with B minor, still a bar chord, still a bar on the second fret. And this time you don't need to bar or pinch down this E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary. So you're gonna add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. That will be the B minor. Next chord is the C sharp 7. Okay, you find it up in this position here with the bar now on the 4th fret. Same 5 strings as in the B minor. And then you need to add 6 on D and 6 on B. We move on with the E. So that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. We also got the A, and you're gonna play open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And at some specific times, I just placed a short little bar on the second fret. I push down 4 strings if you count from bottom up. If I do this grip, just a bar, then I stay away from the last E string, the high E string when it comes to strumming. I try to strum in the middle there. And then finally we have the A-D chord. That is basically the D chord, but with this A note incorporated. So we learned the D first here as the first chord. We just gonna incorporate the open A string as well. That will be the A-D. I believe we got all the chords now, so let's go into the strumming. Grab the first chord, D, and 1 string around goes like this. So it's first 1 down, then down up, and then up down up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we're ready for the song. Now, first verse, you're gonna play D, 2 string rounds, F sharp minor, 2 string rounds. You do that again, so D2 and F sharp 2. Then you go into E2, B minor 2, and we can hold at that point so far. Let's play through that, and I'm gonna give you the last part in this verse play soon. But first, let's play D2. F sharp 2, again, D2, F sharp 2, E2, and B minor 2. And now we have the final part left, and that is to alternate A and the A-D. But we're gonna do that with this picking pattern styles, kind of. We're gonna build in some notes into the strumming. So you're gonna play A, and you play 1 string around almost. You skip the last up in this strumming around. So you're gonna play down, down, up, down. And that is because we need to have the timing correct here. So on A, I play that with this bar, down, down, up, down. And then comes the A-D, but I don't grip the A-D as it is. I keep that bar from the A pretty much, and I play notes that goes like this. That's the reason for me having this bar at the A still there, because it's much easier than pick notes like this. So you just have a bar, and you play that. You're gonna play second fret D, and then a hammer on, you get the 4th D, and then you're gonna play the 2nd G, and I have that barred as well. So it goes 2nd D, 4th D, and 2nd G. You play that 2 times, so, and then you're gonna add 4th D and back to 2nd D. Okay, so that is what you're gonna do. So you're gonna play A, almost 1 string around, and then you're gonna play that melody, and you're gonna do that for 3 times. So A, A, D, A, A, D, A, A, D. So like this. Okay, and that will be this first verse. Then you're gonna play the 2nd verse. You're gonna jump right back to that 2nd verse and play that again. So you play it almost the same here. You're gonna play D2, F sharp 2, D2, A sharp 2, then E2 and B minor 2. Then we don't have that last A and AD in this 2nd verse. So from there on, after the B minor 2 in the 2nd verse, we're going to jump right into the first chorus. I'm going to show you that right now. We're about 1 minute and 25 seconds in. Oh, the good die young. That's where on the lyrics. So you're going to continue this normal strumming here. You're going to play F sharp minor 1, D 1, A 1, and the C sharp 7 1. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds, and then you're gonna finish off with F sharp 1, D 1, A 1, and E 1 in the end there, the 4th round, and that's it for the chorus. Let's play through the 3rd and the 4th round. So that means F sharp, D, A, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, like this. So there you have the first chorus. Then you're gonna play the 3rd verse, okay? So you're gonna play that D2, F sharp 2 for 2 rounds, and then you play E2, B minor 2, and then you play that A and AD part for 5 times, okay? So 5 times of that. So we don't have to go through that. I think you understand that now. And from there on, we're gonna go into the bridge part. So the bridge goes with D, 4 string rounds, F sharp minor, 4 string rounds. You play that for 2 times. Then you're gonna play E2, B minor 2, and that's then followed by D4. We can play that first, and then I'm gonna show you one final thing here in this bridge, but still, let's play through the D4. F sharp 4. Then again, D4. Sharp 4, then E2, B minor 2, and D4. And then at 3 minutes and 22 seconds in comes this melody part, and I thought, yeah, why not? I'm gonna show you how to play that as well. And maybe you recognize it like this. And then you're gonna continue with, and then, you're gonna play that part for 3 times. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You're gonna start at the 7th fret, D string, and then 3 times on this 10th fret, B string, and then you're gonna play 9th fret, E string in the bass, and then 3 times on the 9th fret high E, then 9th fret bass, and 9th high E. It's the same pattern here. Then 9th fret A string, and 10th fret B string 3 times, and then 9A and 10B. And you finish off with 10th fret E string in the bass, and 10th fret B string 3 times, 10E and 10B. That will end one round. So 3 times of that, and then you're gonna play 2 times of the following parts. 7th D string, and then 3 times on the 10th fret B string, and then 7th D and 10B. Then 9E, and 3 times on 9B, then 9E and 9B. Then 9A, and 3 times on 10B, then 9A and 10B. And finally we have 10E in the bass, and 10B 3 times, 10E and 10B. And that part you're gonna play for 2 times. And after that melody and all these notes, we're gonna go into that A and AD area to finish off this song. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and then you end with 1 down on that AD chord. And that is how this beautiful song from KALEO, The Good Die Young, ends. Okay, so this song has it all. Pretty simple strumming patterns with simple chords and this melody and the bridge. So you'll have different techniques here and different styles to play. And if you love this song, give it a shot. Not too hard actually. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. I work a lot for you. So if you appreciate this, leave me a like and comment. Maybe subscribe to this channel, and be back for next time. Till then, guys, play tuned.